Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, have you got a really harsh clunk coming through your suspension or through your chassis when you come on and off the throttle, or if you say stall, or I don't know, if you maybe do something wrong, miss a gear and you get this bad clunk? Yeah, I'm going to run you through that in this video, so yeah, let's take a little look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then guys, so we've got this on the pit now. Now you can do this on the floor, but obviously for the camera it makes it a bit easier if I have it on a pit. So basically this is the actual mount we're talking about. So you've got one bolt here, obviously through a bush in the front. Then you've got another bolt here that goes up through the subframe, and this is the actual rubber that is the problem. So what happens, this rubber goes soft or it actually starts to break away, and basically you find that this part of the mount hits onto this hard bit of the center, which is what's giving you the noise. Now the best way I can do is to show you. So if I grab hold of this mount here, so if I just stick my hand on here and I just show you this, you should be able to see that movement. So that movement is what's giving us our clunk, which is obviously giving us our noise. So yeah, I'll go ahead now, I'll just remove these two bolts and pull this off, and yeah, we'll take a look at it on the floor. Right then guys, so you can see here now straight away, plain as day, if I just pull that there, you can see the rubber is completely split down here. You can see it started to split down here as well. You can see if I lift that up there, you can see that gap. So as you can see, that rubber is completely knackered. So yeah, throw that away. Now here's the new one. Now this is obviously a genuine Ford, so if I just zoom that in there now, if you want to get the part numbers and all, hold that there so you can see the part numbers. So this is a genuine Ford one. Now obviously I've gone genuine Ford to make sure. Now there's also a sticker here, so I believe that might be the main part number. I'm not 100%, but yeah, I will tag this. I'll see if you can get these online, and I'll put a link in the description to help you guys out if I can find one for it. But like I say, I bought this off my genuine Ford dealer, so yeah, I'll get that bolted back in and we'll take another look. Right then guys, so she's all in, nice and tight. You can see there now, if I give that a good firm push, you can see there's hardly any movement in that at all. So that's definitely going to cure my problem. So like I said before, there's just two bolts. What I did find was the front bolt here was quite tight getting the bush into that casing, so I would advise maybe just tuck it in the subframe, tap it up into place, obviously put this bolt in loose, and then go ahead and push the gearbox back to locate that back hole and put that bolt in, and then you can go ahead and tighten them both up. Obviously I just tightened them up with a bar, nice and simple, and yeah, that's all there's to it guys. Nice easy job, fixes that problem. We'll move on to the next thing. So thanks for watching guys. Remember, hit the like button and subscribe for future videos.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.